What up, you guys, and welcome to the Wyttrash Connection. Today's video, I want to show you how to install a ceiling fan using just a couple tools and the easy steps. Alright, so as I said, we're going to install this ceiling fan. So I got my heater over here. And as you can see, there's no way to push the heat around to the rest of the house. Now they say don't use these kind of heaters in your house because they put out carbon monoxide. But I don't give a shit. I'm a rebel and I live life on the edge. So, we got this light already here. So we're going to go ahead and install us a ceiling fan into this area so it can move this heat around. Now, for starters, I got my drill, I got my fan, and I got my screws. 3 tools, 3 steps. Step 1, we're going to put some screws into the fan. You want one on each side so it holds up good. You don't want it to wobble and shit. Step 2, flip said fan upside down. Step 3, find the stud. You want to hit the stud. If you don't, it's going to fall out, probably land on somebody's head. It's going to be funny, but not pretty. So, we'll go ahead and just screw that right to the stud. Now, don't be an idiot and use 19-inch screws and go through your ceiling and cause a leak. Actually, you probably don't be an idiot and just buy a damn ceiling fan and hook up the right way and don't be a dumbass. But I'm cheap, I'm lazy, and I want it now. Bam! Ceiling fan's up. Nice and solid. Plug her in. Turn her around. Look at that shit, boy! Alright, that's how you install a ceiling fan out here in the country, and we don't give a shit. So, if you like that video, subscribe to my channel for more. Have a hell of a day.